If you're wondering if your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has Android Auto, let's find out together. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, find your connections tab and scroll down to the very bottom until you'll find you're looking for something else option. And here you'll find your Android Auto. So tap on it. Here's your Android Auto. Press connect to call. So here you can see some instructions how to connect your card to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can choose to connect via USB port, simply using your phone into your car by a compatible cable, or if your card supports wireless connectivity, you can opt for wireless Android Auto by selecting corresponding option on the screen. However, keep in mind that it's available only on some 2021 or newer cars. Alternatively, you can connect using Bluetooth. So tap on pair a card to jump directly into the Bluetooth settings, where you will detect your car and select it from your available devices. You could do that by simply going back to connections tab, opening up your Bluetooth, and it doesn't really differs much from a usual headphones, right? The process is pretty much the same. And that's it. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't hesitate to share it and like. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.